What is this sound from Earth?
Well,
we don't know.
All-seer, all-listener,
Your Majesty?
find the source of this noise.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Ah! Oh! Ah! Ha ha! Ooh! Oh!
Your Majesty, a rock has broken open and a stone monkey has emerged from it.
that was the sound we heard.
Oh, a stone monkey. Not important.
Wait? What? Oh? Huh? What? Yeah. Oh. Ah. What?
Stay here! Stay here!
He's coming! He's coming! Look! Come on! Let's go! Come on! Come on! Come on! Water! Water! Treasure! Shiny!
Who dares enter?
Well, I can get in there.
If you can get in there and come back, we'll make you our king.
Shh, shh. Really? If I can get in there and come back, you'll make me your king? Ooh. Huh? Ah. Huh?
I think that stone monkey is dead.
Good news! Good news!
What did you find in there?
It's great in there. It's a perfect home for us. Come, move in with me. Let's go.
But we can't get up there, huh?
You can. You can. Go through the waterfall, and that's it.
You go first. We'll follow you.
Let's go.
Wonderful!
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 A throne!
It's a paradise.
And it's all ours now!
Everyone! Everyone! Didn't I say anyone who could get in and come out would be our king? Ha! Huh? Huh? Look! Look! Look!
Here I come.
Stone Monkey King! Stone Monkey
What?
Stone Monkey King, take your throne! Go on!
Hey, Stone Monkey King? Doesn't sound right. Sounds all wrong.
Our king is both clever and handsome. What about Handsome Monkey King?
Handsome Monkey? Good. Good, good, yeah. Call me Handsome Monkey King.
Handsome Monkey King! Handsome Monkey King!
Your Majesty! He's dead!
He was old and weak,
Dead?
so he died. We will all get old and die sooner or later.
Must all of us die one day?
Yes.
We don't want to die! We don't want to die! We don't want to die!
But I don't know the secret of immortality.
Your Majesty, why not go to the Magic Mountain and look for a great master and learn it?
Immortality?
Your Majesty, take care!
Go back home. Go back home now. Go back.
Your Majesty, take care.
Go back.
Your Majesty, take care.
It's a monster! It's a monster! Run! Run! Run!
Try our secret family strength pill. It works wonders. You'll be stronger and have more energy. A few pennies would be appreciated, but don't feel obliged to buy. Look here. Look what I have.
Monster! Run! Run!
Hey.
Fresh vegetables! Get your fresh vegetables!
Fresh fish! Fresh fish from the water! Fresh fish!
From the mountain! Sweet and cheap!
What a terrible man! Is he blind or what? Thank you.
Monster! Monster!
Monster!
Monkey monster!
A monster!
Get lost! Get lost!
Come on, look! A monster!
What can I do?
Monster ran in here! In your store!
Just a minute.
Not the shoes!
This one.
Come
No,
on, look!
no.
A monster!
A hairy-faced, hairy-armed monster ran in your store!
I sell shoes, not monsters. Everyone out.
It's here!
Go away.
No monsters here. I'm sorry, please, go.
I saw the monster
Go,
entering
go.
your store.
No monsters. So that's your monster. It's just a cat.
Here you are. Enjoy. Enjoy. Coming. Coming. Sir.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oi! Oi!
God, what is it?
And here's your food. Huh? Hey, sir, can I help you, sir? Huh?
Waiter.
Oh, sir. Sit down, please.
I say, why is your place so empty today?
All the tables were full. Everyone just left. What can I get you, huh?
A jug of liquor.
Oh, a jug of
liquor.
Yes.
Sliced beef and noodles.
A bowl of
Sliced
noodles.
beef and noodles.
Yes.
A large bowl.
A large bowl. You also want a large bowl?
Look at you! What are you doing? You fool! Hey, you! Take it.
He's eating peppers. Syrup.
He's eating peppers.
Yeah.
Sage?
I'm a woodcutter. I can barely make ends meet. How can you call me a sage?
You're just saying I befriend immortals. We discuss doctrines. If you're not, why do you talk like one?
On Spirit Mountain, Patriarch Sabuti in Moon Cave taught me this.
Patriarch Subhuti? Huh? He sounds pretty smart. Where is he? Huh?
Go straight up this path.
Oh? Oh? Hmm.
Ow, ouch! Who did that? Wow, a wild monkey.
I'm no wild monkey. I'm a stone monkey. I came to see the patriarch.
Oh, Master said that someone was waiting at the door. Did he mean you?
Yes, yes.
I see. Come in with me to see Master.
Fine,
This
fine.
way. Master, he's here.
Get lost, you monkey. You.
Master! Master! I came to study the Tao! Master! Master! I came to study the Tao! Huh?
Who are you? Why have you come here?
Master, I'm here to study the Tao.
Where are you from?
I'm from Flower and Fruit Mountain.
What? Nonsense. Disciples, throw him out!
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Master, I'm speaking the truth.
There's a wide ocean between here and the mountain. How did you get here?
I sailed across on a raft. It was a tough journey, but I'm finally here, Master. Please accept me.
What is your surname and personal name?
I was born from a rock. I don't have a name.
Oh, so you are nature's child. I think you look like a monkey. So, your surname will be Sun, and your first name, Wukong. All right?
Master! Master accepts me! Yeah! I have a name now! Master accepts me! My name is Sun Wukong! My name is Sun Wukong!
Bravo!
Bravo!
Ah!
Do it!
Hey, look.
Yeah! Yeah!
Good, good. Oh,
Yeah!
Nice.
Nice!
hey, what a monkey.
What a monkey! Hey!
Good.
Nice!
Oh,
The true sage knows all and learns the Tao through meditation. He learns immortality, escapes birth and death. He ascends to heaven through study. When his study is complete, eternal life is his. Monkey,
What?
why are you leaping around and disrupting me?
Your words enlightened me. I was so happy. Please forgive me.
Let me ask you, how long have you been here?
I have no idea. But the peaches are ripe again, and I've eaten them 7 times.
7 years. What do you want to learn from me? Ah?
Master, anything will do. Anything related to the Tao is fine.
How about fortune telling and divination? All right.
Master, will they make me immortal?
No, no.
Nah, fortune telling is useless. Pass. Pass.
Then what if I teach you prayers and blessings? All right?
Will that make me immortal?
Like the moon's reflection in water.
Master is talking in riddles. I'm afraid I'm not good at riddles. What do you actually mean?
The moon in the sky leaves a reflection in the water. You can see it, but you can't reach it. It's a dream.
So, are you saying prayers are useless too? Pass. 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 Pass.
Well, how about self-examination and meditation? What do you say?
Can I become immortal?
Like plucking a flower's mirror reflection.
Pass. Pass. I would rather learn some fighting skills. Master, teach me something else.
You arrogant monkey. You pass this and pass that. Have a taste of my cane.
Oh! Wait! Oh!
Monkey, how dare you be so pricky?
It's your fault.
your fault.
It's your fault. Always.
You monkey.
You monkey. You monkey.
Troublemaker.
You monkey.
3 times. Aw. Ma.
Monkey?
Master. Master. I've been waiting here.
You monkey. Why are you here instead of sleeping in your room?
Master, you hit me 3 times and closed the door. You asked me to come at 3 o'clock through the back door. Master! 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 Master, please teach me something useful.
As you are so eager to learn, I'll teach you a skill. I can teach you how to disappear and change forms. There are 2 styles. I can teach you 36 changes, or 72 changes. Which will you learn?
Master! Master! I want to learn more! Please teach me the 72 one!
All right. Monkey!
Master!
Have you mastered the flying skill?
Let me do it for you. Watch me. Please. Master, I can ride on the clouds now.
You covered about a mile, and were barely above the ground. That wasn't cloud riding. It was simply floating.
What? Floating?
Mm-hmm. Traveling the world in a day, soaring higher than birds. It's cloud riding.
Master, please, teach me how.
It is difficult. It takes hard work.
No matter how hard, I want to learn.
All right. Before you took off, you somersaulted I'll teach you somersaulting.
Somersaulting? Is it fast?
One somersault is 54 million meters.
Wow!
Look, the monkey! The monkey! The monkey! Look, the monkey!
What's going on here?
Monkey, come on.
Oh. You dirty ape.
Monkey? Did I teach you these skills so you could show off?
Master, I was wrong. Please forgive me.
I will not punish you. You may leave.
Yes! But, Master, where am I to go?
Go back to where you came from.
What? Master, you taught me so much. How can I go without repaying you?
Don't worry about it. If you cause trouble one day, just don't say that you are my disciple.
Yes.
From now on, you are not my disciple. I won't see you again.
Master! Let me stay!
Do you understand? You can go. Remember to be good. Don't hurt others. Or I will punish you.
I'll do what you say.